I found out about this grant scandal by chance. I just happened to be critically examining the celebration of 1969, and this is how I came across this. As a result of that, I realized, this investigation has crossed into new territory. I was no longer confronting the myth of decriminalization. I was now looking at manipulation and exploitation of Indigenous artists. So it's scary to me how easily this could have continued to go unnoticed. In terms of moving forward, this has been Pride Toronto's central objective. Move forward at any cost. They issued a vague apology that was quite brief and did not outline their unethical conduct in any meaningful way. Truth must come before an apology. They must come forward openly and transparently with the full truth of what happened here. Until they do that, there can be no discussion on moving forward. Our communities can't move forward with solutions until we know the extent of the harm and the damage that has been caused. We have to remember what pride actually means. It was a defiant statement against marginalization and oppression. Our communities called it pride because we were going to stand up and we were going to fight back. We did this through showing up in the streets in all of our colors to demand freedom, to demand emancipation. Now, some in our communities seem to think that battle is over. And as a result, Pride Toronto is now left with no direction, no unifying purpose other than beer floats and massive dance parties. But what about those in our communities who are still marginalized? How can we make Pride into something that gets back to its roots of fighting against marginalization and injustice? And this is a question I think many in our community are trying to figure out, myself included. Now, I like a good dance party. I love going out on Church Street in June. But that party has to mean something. It has to be grounded in something more that connects us back to our roots and to our history.